I'm feeling real good. I got a lot of work done. I'm hoping you're all feeling the same way too as well. Anyway, let's get into it. Hey, welcome back to another video. It's your boy Rick. How y'all feeling right now? Before we get into it, make sure you like and subscribe to my channel if you appreciate all the information I've been given so far. All right, let's get into it. So what I want to talk in this video is about establishing affiliate links. And that's it. I want to keep it as simple as possible. Straight to the basics. This is for those who are overthinking and overcomplicating the process. So let's just get straight to the video right now. How to establish an affiliate link. Remember, affiliate links, you're just the middleman. That's it. Your job is just to take the links that you generated for the products that you support, that you want to promote, drive traffic to it, convert them into sales, and you get paid. Keep it simple like that. How do you do that? So you have platforms you can go to. I'm sure you heard it all. I'm sure you heard this multiple times. I'm sure you're familiar with it. ClickBank. You have Amazon Associates, an affiliate program as well. Apple services. I know you heard of Warrior Plus. Many places have that. Sometimes it's usually right on their website. Sometimes you might have to Google it. Sometimes you might have to go all the way down to the bottom of the page, depending on which page that is. Let's go to ClickBank, and you'll see on the bottom of the page affiliate marketing or earn with ClickBank affiliates. Other places might say earn with Apple, earn with so-and-so, earn with Amazon, and so forth. And that's how you basically establish a partnership. Right after that, you create an account. You sign up with them, and then you create an account. Once you create an account, you're verifying it. I'm choosing JVZoo right now as an example, but all the platforms may be different, but it's all the same concept. You create an account, whatever you want to sign up with, and you choose how you want to get paid. Sometimes it's direct payment straight to your PayPal, straight to your bank account. You choose how you want to get paid. You set up the account, you set up your profile. Sometimes you might need your social security. Other places might need your EIN number, however you feel comfortable with. Right after that, you're choosing the product. All places are different, but how they look and how they set it up, but you end up choosing the product. You just choose a niche that you have chosen yourself to set up yourself with. Some popular niches are health and fitness. Others are self-help or self-development. You also have e-business and e-marketing and so forth. Let's go with health and fitness. Right here on ClickBank. You want to sort it by gravity. That explains how popular the product is. Right now in this section in health and fitness and ClickBank, Exipure is a very popular one. And you can see it has a high conversion as well. You get paid a lot if you make the sale. Another platform you can do is called Digistore 24. As you can see, same concept. Depending on what you want to choose, the personal development, fitness, health. Create an account with them, find the product you want to promote, and you just hit promote now. Then you establish an affiliate link with them. That's pretty much it. You can do the same thing here. It's the same concept. You hit promote. Make sure you put the account nickname. And ClickBank, you have to put an account nickname when you're setting up a profile. For me, it's BeBetter24. Obviously, you're in the channel. You generate hop link, which is another way of saying affiliate link. And then you have your affiliate link or hop link. See, it's pretty much the same concept. And that's basically how you create a link with affiliate marketing with the product you choose. That's it, y'all. Don't overthink it. Don't overcomplicate it. It's really that simple. That's how you create an affiliate link, how you create a promo link, however you want to call it, a hop link, however you want to call it. That's how you create it. Don't overthink it. Now, what you would do with this link is you want to promote it. You want to put it on areas where however you want to promote it. Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Pinterest. The thing is, some websites, some platforms like those don't like the fact that you're using a link just to promote a product. They might ban you. So they have to find other ways to get that link to the people. And that's when you start creating your online business through email marketing, websites. Some of the tools are Get Response, as you can see, email marketing, website builder, marketing automation, conversion funnels. I'm sure you're familiar with all this by now for those who've got into it but don't know what's going on. This is basically how you start creating your online business, how you create the structure for your business. Another site is called System.io. You got another one called ConvertKit. All this is used to create your online business. But before you can start creating this online business, you need a domain, right? You need a website so your domain name could attach to. You most likely will use Namecheap. There's other ways, there's other places out there you can use. Bluehost is another website, but Namecheap is probably the cheapest you can use to create a domain name to attach to your website that you will build in your email marketing system. Once you've created a domain name and you have that all attached, you choose whatever system you want to choose to create your online business with. Get Response, System.io, because now you start getting into the world of landing pages. Landing pages is what you're going to need to use to collect emails of those who sign up through your website that you created. It's really that simple. It's not that complicated. The customers enter their email. You collect the email. So you have follow-ups and leads you can follow right back up to. They go to a thank you page. The next page where the hyperlink is attached, you guessed it, to your affiliate link, to your hop link, to your promo link, whatever it is. And that's it. That's how you not get in trouble with the websites you're promoting your promo link on. That's how you create funnels. The customers, the leads, however you want to call it, refer them. They enter their emails. You collect their emails. They get to the next page. The hyperlink is within that page. The offer is within that page. You create landing pages through the system you chose, whether it's Get Response, System.io, email. The landing pages are connected to the websites you created with your domain name from Namecheap. And that's how it all connects. I hope that makes sense. I hope I explained that as plainly, as simple as possible. If you want more in-depth personal help one-on-one, you can book me as well. Just click the link in the description below, and it leads to my website where you can just book a call with me. If done right, with the right product, with the right audience that you built your trust in, you could be well on your way towards financial freedom. And that's it for this video. If you enjoyed the information that I provided for you, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll check you on the next video. All right, keep building, be better.